Ladies and gentlemen, we have the gorgeous Manya Singh with us, runner-up from Femina Miss India. Manya, your story is truly inspiring for all the young girls in India from different backgrounds, from the affluent to from the middle class to from the lower class. It's very hard to find someone come up to such great heights, and it is such an inspiration, Manya. And from my interaction with her, ladies and gentlemen, she's such a humble soul. It was so nice, and I was feeling so nice to actually talk to her even before I started interviewing her. Manya, so what can we expect in the near future from you in terms of movies or endorsements? What's up in store?
Oh, thank you so much for giving me such a wonderful introduction. I am honored today, and being here it's actually a privilege to being a lot of stars around the stars. It's my first experience, and yes, there is a bigger thing stored in future. So you guys will see me someone very big from the industry with someone sharing the stage.
Oh, we really look forward to that. And Manya, you do come from a very humble background, and we've seen the amount of love you share with your parents. What is the one piece of advice your parents gave you growing up?
They told me पैर जमीन पे और सर आसमान पे. So always keep your feet down to earth and keep your head high to dream beyond your imagination.
Thank you so much and wish you all the best. And we hope to see you perform in Saima very soon. And all the best with your endorsements. Thank you. Bye. Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us the gorgeous Priya Warrior. You've seen her over the years. She's groomed herself to become this beautiful, elegant, confident lady. Priya, we are so happy to have you here at Saima. And we know it's your first Saima with us, right?
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
So, are you excited?
I am excited and maybe a tad nervous as well because, you know, the crowd is really overwhelming. Yeah.
So, I know this is your first experience. So, what are you looking forward to here?
All the performances and meeting a lot of people, yeah, and just enjoying the experience.
And we know that a lot of upcoming projects are coming up in your future in different languages, different industries. How do you think you're going to manage all of it? You have, from different languages. I know you're a Malayali, right? And how are you going to manage it? Because I'm a Malayali too, so it is hard for me to even interview stars from different languages. How are you even acting in different languages?
I think it's a different experience altogether. It's a very solid learning experience as well because Telugu, Kannada, and all are languages that I have no connection with. So it's nice to learn new languages and put in that extra effort and work for that.
Are you taking classes?
I'm taking personal classes. I have apps where I sit and learn new words and add to my vocabulary every day. That's it. Yeah.
And other than acting, what else do you enjoy doing?
Other than acting, I sing. I like to watch a lot of movies. I read. Yeah, that's about it.
So, in the near future, do you think we'll get to see you perform in Saima?
For sure, for sure.
And that would be as a singer or a dancer, or what are you keen to perform?
Preferably as a singer, yeah.
Preferably a singer. Okay, Saima, are you taking note of that? Well, we have the gorgeous Priya Warrior with us. Thank you so much and wish you all the best for all your upcoming movies. See you.